Dear friends, today I'll tell you of the story of the mother's role in creating music, which she brought down from the world of music, as she told us. Once, her disciple and sadhak Satprem told the mother that she went to the world of music, and what he heard was so marvelous, so unbelievable beautiful, that even after walking, he remained stunned for hours. Unbelievable. He then asked mother, where is the world situated of the music? Mother replied, I am very familiar with it. I often went there. It is to be found at the very top of human consciousness, very high. It is very, very high. Mother went on to explain that there were several zones. The first zone you meet is painting, sculpture, architecture, all that has a material form, the zone of forms. Artists, sculptors, writers, landscape gardeners, all draw their inspiration from that zone. Next comes the musical zone. As the mother said, there you find the origin of the sounds that have inspired various composers. There are great musical waves without a sound. It may seem a bit strange, but that is how it is. It is the ethereal music supposed by Pythagoras and other early mathematicians to be the music of the spheres. I don't know, but in India, very probably it is this that is known as unwounded music, Anahata Vani. The Indian yogis know it. It comes as rhythmical waves, waves with a slow rhythmic beat, like the beat of great wings, unceasing waves that come from eternity and go away to eternity. Mother was also explained that each zone is made up of several layers, and at the very top of the musical zone, it starts to become waves, vibratory waves, but it is directly related to music. It is a zone where you don't hear any sound, but which afterwards is translated into sound, into music. That is the topmost. Mother drew down her music from that topmost source. Constantly I hear like great musical waves, as mother said, I have but to go within a beat, and it is there. I can hear it. It is always there. They are not sounds. It is music yet. Great musical waves. And each time I hear these waves, my hands long to play. The mother does explain to Shatprem of music from the mystical zone. She often could hear and take a note of it, and that is why the mother played organ music, and the sound of the music came down to her, and she composed. This is the mystery of the world of music, as the mother told us.